Hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming back again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and this is another bread experiment. You might think I've gone completely insane, but I guess I have, so you'd be right. Boom, boom, boom. That's what's happening. We got 5 packs in here. We're gonna use 1 noodle block and all the sachets. I'm gonna add in some nice little extras. I've got freshly made chashu, I've got scrambled egg, and I've got some green onions, and I've got some cheese sticks that are in the freezer, and at the last part of the kneading process, I'm gonna drop those in too. So let's get to it. Ready, set,
go!
It's done. And what's interesting is a lot of people don't know that this stuff is ham flavored. Don't believe me?
I like its ham flavor. I like its ham flavor. Ham flavor.
Well, it smells good, but it's sizzling a little. That worries me. Wow. It seems to me that it actually rose in everything. It's got little bits and pieces on the side. Oh wow, that's cheese. And you know what? It also has a flavor. It has
ham flavor.
Oh wow, this smells really good. Look at that. There's cheese in there. And it looks like it kind of stayed all together. Let's give this stuff a try. It's wonderful, and I thoroughly enjoy its
ham flavor.
But what do we do with this stuff? I got an idea. Oh wow, this came out really good. You know, I better slice it in half. Alright, well, there we go. That was kind of a battle to slice in half. I'm gonna give this thing a try. I'm gonna warn you though, if you make this stuff, it's got 5 sachets of instant noodle seasoning in it. So it's pretty high sodium, so this is definitely not for the sodium challenged. But oh yeah, look at that. Let's give it a try. That's pretty freaking epic. Chashu and bread, grilled cheese. This is good stuff. Well, awesome. This was a big experiment for me. I wanted to see how much stuff that I could actually put in bread. And it looks like I can load it pretty heavily. Now, there's a lot of junk in here. This is probably the best grilled cheese sandwich I've ever made. And all through it, you can taste the
ham flavor.
It's great. Who doesn't love
ham flavor?
All right. Well, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider and bread maker. There'll be more. Have a good one. Bye.